Dried fish refers to the preserved form of fish that is created through the process of removing moisture from the raw product. This ancient food preservation technique has been practiced for centuries in many cultures and regions around the world. By exposing the fish to sunlight, wind, or other drying methods, the water content is reduced, inhibiting the growth of microorganisms and extending the shelf life of the fish significantly. The development of an efficient and cost-effective dried fish dehydrator can significantly benefit communities that rely on fish as a primary source of protein and income. Dried fish dehydrator are appliances used to remove moisture from fish to preserve it. It is commonly used for making dried fish. A dried fish dehydrator is a machine that removes moisture from fish to increase its shelf life and retain its nutritional content. Drying fish is a typical technique of preservation, particularly in areas where refrigeration is unavailable. The dehydrator works by circulating warm air over the fish, evaporating moisture, and leaving behind dried fish. Dried fish has been practiced for centuries as a means of preserving dried fish for later use. Traditional methods involved sun drying, air drying, or smoking, which were time-consuming and often resulted in inconsistent quality. The development of mechanical drying technologies revolutionized the dried fish drying process. Early advancements included simple drying racks and trays, but over time, more sophisticated drying equipment emerged, such as rotary dryers. This project will be done to solve the following problems. Firstly, traditional sun-drying processes for dried fish may result in longer and more irregular drying times due to erratic weather, such as rain. Due to environmental exposure, traditional sun-drying techniques might result in partially rancid, polluted, and sand dust-infested dried fish products. The process of drying fish traditionally requires significant manual labor, increasing production costs and limiting scalability. Objective of this product is to develop a product that can keep drying conditions constant and keep dried fish from becoming soaked in the rain. Then, to provide an affordable and user-friendly dehydrator for dried fish that small-scale farmers and communities who depend on fish as their main income source may utilize. And lastly, to design a dehydrator system that can provide a controlled drying environment to improve the quality, safety, and consistency of the dried fish product, compared to traditional sun-drying methods. The dehydrator is made to satisfy the demands of those who want to efficiently and economically preserve fish without sacrificing the end product's quality or nutritional content, and typically made for individuals or businesses involved in the processing and preservation of fish. This can include small and medium enterprises, SMEs, which is for businesses that specialize in processing and packaging fish products for retail or wholesale distribution. Then, for fishermen who capture fish and wish to keep it longer without refrigeration. And for consumers, which is individuals who prefer to make dried fish for personal consumption due to its longer shelf life and convenience.